So you can see this beautiful dashboard I created with Claude under 10 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful interactive dashboard. So with this now, creating dashboard for your reports or for meeting or board meeting is now extremely easy. So let's go into Claude and let me show you how to do it in a few minutes. First thing to do is to go to Claude. Open Claude. So start new charts. Okay, come here and write this prompt. But before you write the prompt, you upload the Excel you want to turn into dashboard. So just click this, look for the dashboard. Okay, look for the data. This is the data. So let's click it. Look it. Now the next thing is to give Claude your prompt. But basically, it's not always the best to give to write your prompt for Claude for this kind of thing, because you won't be able to write optimally for it. So what you should do is, after you have uploaded this, you just write, give me optimized prompt to convert this data set into an interactive, beautiful dashboard. So now, for as you give, it will give you prompts that you need. So here is it. It brought us this prompt. Can you see? Here is an optimized prompt with me or any Claude interface. So this is the prompt. So what you do now is you copy this prompt. Let's copy it. Try to copy. So copy the prompt. Once you copy the prompt, then you go back to the box and drop it, and then you click enter. Once you click enter, it come up with a new dashboard. So let me click enter. This is the dashboard. It brought out this beautiful dashboard. Now let's expand it so you can see can you see? This is it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So now, if you don't like the color or it doesn't match your brand color, you can go back into the Excel sheet, into the your Claude, and tell it to rewrite it. Like, come here and say, okay, change the color to whatever, white and green or blue, whatever it is, and then you click enter. It will just change it automatically. So that is it. That is it. So simple. Can you see it? Can you see it? Very, very beautiful, and it's very interactive. You click on any part, it takes you to where you need to be. Okay, so let's click on this. Can you see it? Very interactive. Very interactive. Click on this. Very interactive. Highly interactive. Anybody can do this. So with this now, you can save yourself time, effort, and money. If this looks like what you enjoy, if you have gained from it, please like the video, share with others so that they too can learn how to do it. Now you don't need anybody or data analyst to do your data dashboard for you. All you need is your file and then upload it. Till we come your way in the next video, stay blessed.